Are you tired of paying a ridiculous amount of money for a home-based business opportunity just so that your upline maximizes their commissions? Not with GotBackup. It's a global opportunity with a product that everyone needs at a price point that anyone can afford. You are just steps away from making a full-time income with this amazing opportunity. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone with a computer, smartphone, or tablet? How about someone who's had a hard drive fail, or who's lost irreplaceable documents, photos, music, or videos? If you do, then the GotBackup opportunity is for you. We all should back up our devices, but how many of us actually do? GotBackup is the first fully automated, set and forget secure cloud storage service that pays you residual income for life every time you or your downline makes a sale. You and your team will get 50% residual for life on a consumer-based product that anyone with a computer, tablet, or smartphone needs. Concerned about marketing? Don't be. When you become a GotBackup reseller, you'll find a great marketing package to help you promote this data-saving system. The video you're currently watching is a part of our powerful Powerline-driven marketing system. By entering your name and email, you can reserve a free temporary position in our company, which we will hold for you and place you in the Powerline. Every other person that joins the Powerline after you will fall directly under you in your Powerline. Now, every Wednesday night is the deadline to secure your position in our binary tree by becoming a reseller of GotBackup for just $9.97 per month. From your Powerline on Wednesday night, you will be auto-placed in the binary tree. By becoming a reseller, you leapfrog and go above all resellers who upgraded before you in your Powerline. This secures you in our binary tree at the highest available position. Those that do not upgrade by Wednesday remain in the Powerline, losing all the resellers in the Powerline below them because resellers are moved into the binary every Wednesday night. Don't want to miss out? The faster you upgrade, the better position you will secure in the binary tree. The faster you upgrade, the more potential you have to generate an income with other resellers falling below you in the binary tree from the Powerline. As a reseller, you will get instant access to the GotBackup software to protect and back up your and your family members' data. The sooner you secure your position, the higher you will be placed in the binary tree. To learn more, fill out the form on the right and discover why GotBackup is considered the most exciting company in the industry. Here's how you get paid. First, you can have an unlimited amount of GotBackup direct referrals, which we call your front line. Then the certified GotBackup licensed resellers in your front line can have their own direct referrals, and so can they. And so can they, passing income back to you. We call this your pay line. At GotBackup, your front line and pay line give you unlimited width and depth. Now let's do the math on how this amazing compensation plan can quickly generate some serious residual income. Let's say you just started, and in your first month you make $1,000 in direct referrals. Awesome! You keep 100% of that. Currently in your front line is Sarah, and she also made $1,000 from direct referrals this month. Ray, who is her direct referral and therefore in your pay line, has done the same. Now that we know the total of what you, Sarah, and Ray have each made this month, let's look at what this means to you and how much more additional income you can make. Now remember, this month Ray made a total of $1,000. Which means that Sarah receives a matching check equal to 25% of what Ray made. So Sarah makes $250 in addition to the $1,000 she made this month. That's a total of $1,250 for Sarah. Sarah rocks! But it gets even better now. Because Sarah made $1,250, You received a matching check equal to 25% of what Sarah made. That's an additional $312.50 of residual income on top of the $1,000 you already made, giving you a grand total of $1,312.50 that you made in just 1 month. You rock more than Sarah. Sorry, Sarah. Simply put, that's 100% of what you made, or $1,000. 25% of what Sarah earned for $250 plus 25% of what Sarah earned from Ray, which was $62.50. Are you starting to see the